shit, bitch. Oh, y'all gonna love this. This, ooh, it's getting juice. Ooh, 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 ooh. Where my shit? Where my shit? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, my name is Bird. I am an entertainer. I am an actress, singer, entrepreneur, all of the above, just jack of trades. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Welcome back if you already are a subscriber. If you are here, you came specifically to hear my voice, to see my reviews, to see my reaction, and I appreciate you coming. I do have full-fledged warnings all throughout the video, okay? But just in case, here's a big old fat one. In this video, spoilers, cussing, fussing, sipping, smoke. Let's not stay stuck on that because I'm grown. Thank you so much. Love you guys. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're right here with me, and I appreciate you so much for that. Y'all can't take this new intro here. Uh-oh. Oh, everybody got new graphics this year. We got real bougie. I see what you're doing here. Come on, everybody. And it's still rated TV MA. See, that's what I'm talking about. I like all that freaky shit.
You slick? Give me my money, King.
I don't have your money.
You got my money. Give it here.
Abel, I don't have your damn money.
Give me my fucking money.
What? He's about out of here.
I'm tired of him always taking my stuff.
Boy, you know you an evil child. What I tell you about taking shit don't belong to you?
No.
Shut up while you do something to cry out. And if you don't learn to control that anger, it's gonna put you in a world of hurt.
Now playing the role of Jeremiah Steele is Patrick Vanessa Johnson.
I love the announcement. Oh,
I am not here on my own, but he sent me. Why can't you understand what I am saying?
Take your ass to the unemployment line.
Oh, Lord, there she goes.
That's my big sis.
Yep.
Kicking ass and taking names.
Threatening folks.
What is it with you people going away and then coming back looking completely different?
I was trying to take what's mine.
Because I don't try to shit. Okay? I do.
We're gonna see what Pop's got to say about this thing.
It's not like he's your real father.
What you just say? Is it true? Huh? What are you talking about?
I ain't say you want my real father.
Son, it is true. I'm not your biological father. But that don't even matter to me. You're my son. You're my firstborn son. And with you, I'm well pleased.
City Commissioner Kyle Richards has died. According to officials, Richards died of an aneurysm.
Oh,
Trust me.
you did it.
It all worked out.
You did it.
Advertisers are dropping out. Employees have quit, including our brother Asher. You know, overall, Steel Publications is losing money.
No. Remember, we're no longer Steel Publications. We are Steel Industries.
You know, from me stealing money from the company to pay off my gambling debt, killing Trevor,
That you ain't paid back. That you ain't
then
went to jail
hiding the
for.
truth about, you know. I just feel like there's this huge burden that's just weighing on my chest.
How dare you storm in my office like this?
Ooh, how dare I? Bitch, please. I'm the reason you have this office and the position as CEO.
Keep your voice down.
You may be able to tell these mindless minions what to do, but you can't make me do shit. Now, you promised me an executive position with this company if I help you frame Kane for Chloe's murder.
I don't recall.
I'm so tired of you motherfuckers. Look, I just want what's mine, all right?
What's yours?
What the hell are you talking about?
Your father. He stole Steel Publications from my father. That son of a bitch swindled everything from my father. This shit should be mine.
When? Are you finished? And your father was weak. I am. And there you are, begging for the scraps off my table. Don't you have a tragedy to reflect on today? Get yourself a bottle or 10 on me.
Did I ever tell you that Steel Publications is supposed to belong to me? Our father actually wanted me to run the company.
So, why aren't you?
If it isn't our father's firstborn, who he's oh so pleased with, in here fucking our father's girlfriend.
Happy birthday, my sweet baby. If I would have carried you to term, today would have been your.
Oh, it's cold out there.
Is it crazy? Is it crazy that I still have the pregnancy test?
Oh. Oh.
Where are your parents? I want to get mom. You're gonna be your dad.
Oh.
Wait, no! Please stop!
Oh man, no! Oh no! Child, you need to be in the hospital, recovering like. Oh, that's rough.
Jeremiah Steele.
Uh-oh.
Look, man, I gotta go.
Yep.
I'll talk to you later. Mrs. Albright.
Ella,
Ella?
you should give me a call sometime. I love to have you come.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, you come to your senses and you trying to get your job back?
I really need to talk to you.
Whatever you gotta say, I'm sure it can wait.
I'm not your brother. We are not brothers.
What?
What are you talking about? What the hell is going on here, Asher?
And why are you saying this now?
I'm your father.
What? Uh-oh.
Maxwell Crawford.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me. This is the final season that we are embarking on. It'll be done. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. Go ahead and follow me on my social media. My social media handles are also down in the description. But I do thank you guys so much for taking the time out and actually clicking on this video and watching and reacting with me. And I just appreciate your time. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me. And I thank you so much. And I'll see you on the next video. Alright? Y'all take care. On purpose.